What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. In today's video, we are preparing something delicious all the way from South India. It's a delicious korma. So today's korma, we're going to make it traditional as possible. We're going to make it with some nuts, not coconuts, anything like that, yogurt, onions, and some delicious spices. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment, and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Okay, perfect. So to start off, let's get our chicken marinated. You can do this about the night before, leave it overnight, or let it rest for about 3 hours. Get all that delicious flavor inside the chicken. First up, let's start off with 2 tablespoons of some plain yogurt. A little bit extra, just for good measure. Then next, some crushed ginger and garlic. I'm only adding about 1 tablespoon of this. This is a different mix. It's got some crushed ginger, garlic, and some dhania. So let's pop that in there. 2 teaspoons. Now, next up for our spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric goes in. 1 teaspoon of some garam masala. Some chili powder. Now, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/2 teaspoon of some nice coarse salt. Wash your hands, give this a nice mix through. You can have a look. That's the kind of consistency that you want for your marinade. Make sure the chicken's nicely covered, and then we'll put it to the side to rest, or as I said, you can do this overnight. And there we go, guys. Our delicious chicken korma is done. And now for the best part of the video, let's give it a taste. First up, the sauce. Wow, That is so good. It's got an authentic taste, it's creamy. It even has a bit of a sweet flavor to it, which is so delicious. All that delicious spice, the cloves, the chili, slight hint of spice in the background from the chili powder. It's so good. Let's give a bite of the chicken. Still a bit hot. That's simply to die for. It's got the sweetness infused of the onions, of the red onions. That's why we did not use the white onions. It's got that sweet taste inside the chicken. It's tender, it's nice, it's got spice, enough salt. It's just, this blows me away. It's so good. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.